On the flip side, as Martin mentioned earlier, we do a lot of roll-up strategies. Martin just gave an example of a roll-up strategy in the healthcare space. Conversely, we have a roll-up strategy in the death care space called Anthem Partners. So Anthem Partners is a company founded by
Andrew Clark.
Andrew Clark, right. So Andrew Clark, you might know, kind of founded and grew Park Lawn Corporation. It's kind of the only TSX listed company in this death care space. From a $50 million market cap to about $1.5 billion. Andrew left Park Lawn about 4 or 5 years ago and started Anthem Partners, which presumably he wants to grow as a Park Lawn 2.0. So Andrew and his team kind of buy small to medium sized mom and pop operated crematories, funeral homes, cemetery sites throughout the U.S. Company's grown to 90 locations in North America. And they're buying out businesses, for 5 to 6 times EBITDA. A company like Park Lawn is trading on the TSX in the mid-teens. So eventually, the plan is probably to take the company public and then extract that delta between public and private.
And that's a business that we partnered with Andrew early on, and we invested about $45 million in that business for a roughly 40% interest. And there's a number of other significant investors in that space. And again, much like the whole demographic tailwind here, this is about as steady a business as you're going to get, and a nice cash flowing business. And we expect continued growth again, both through acquisitions and through some of the organic tailwinds driving this business.